Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, my name is LJ and you're watching NoClutch Garage. And as the title suggests, today we're going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing on a product that I have been keeping my eye on for at least a year now. And it's a very simple product. It's just a gauge, but it's a really good gauge. It has a lot of good technology, and it's something that I've been wanting to add to my car for a while. I didn't ever pull the trigger because I used to run my car with a JB4 back-end flash, and as you know, JB4 shows you all the gauges for pretty much anything you need, so I never really found the necessity to do that. Even now that I'm changing to a completely different system, I will have the availability of those gauges, but just having something there that's clean, that I'm not going to be, monitoring all the time, it's good to have. Those complicated gauges, I use them most of the time just to make sure that I'm running right when I'm racing or anything like that. But for everyday use or any kind of monitoring or quick monitoring, I can just take a glance and look at this gauge. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I've kind of made it kind of like a habit of having these little unbox videos. Honestly, it cuts down the time on my other videos a whole lot, so that way you guys aren't stuck watching a 15-20 minute video. So we're gonna make this video really quick, and let's go ahead and get into it. I do want to give a massive shout out to P3 Gauges for hooking me up with these gauges right here. They were great, talking to them the whole time, great customer service. So I actually have a little something for you guys. I will have a code NoClutch for these gauges. So if you type in NoClutch upon checkout, you have to have an order of $350 or more, and you will save 10% on your purchase. So go ahead, get you a gauge, enter your code NoClutch, and you will get that 10% off. But now let's jump right into it. All right, so let's make this really quick and easy. Nice little simple box. Ooh, I cannot keep my hands in the right spot. All right. Alright, so in the box you have a P3 Gauges guide. So this kit includes the display, control box, the harness, OBD2 cable, and I also have a boost sensor. And if you guys remember, I did a video on the boost tap for the big boost kit. Well, this is an analog boost tap sensor, so that way I can run that vacuum line to the sensor. And they went ahead and added it for me since they know I had that already. We have a P3 Gauges sticker, which will go on my laptop like all my other stickers. And so we have this thing in bubble wrap. You have your harness with the OBD hookup right there, and of course here's the sensor where you can stick the vacuum line. So this goes into OBD, this goes up to the display. We have the control box, which I'm not going to open right now. I'm going to wait until we actually do the installation. And then we have the display, and we will be doing the installation, and this is pretty much it. There is also an option for you to get this gauge with the vent pre-installed, but it adds about $100 to the order. And if you don't want to deal with having to do this DIY thing, for sure I recommend it. Definitely for the people that are not too technical, but when I do my DIY, it will show you how to put all of these things on your car flawlessly and try to make it as simple as possible. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's everything that comes inside of this little box. Alright guys, as I said, that's a pretty short video of the unboxing. Honestly, it doesn't look that complicated, and I will be doing a full DIY of this, so keep an eye out for that. I'm pretty excited about putting this on my car. Obviously, I don't have the car with me right now, but when I do the installation, I'll try to keep it clear and concise. I'll try to keep it short too, because I know these videos can drag out a lot. But anyway guys, that has been it for the unboxing. Thank you guys if you watched. If you're interested in this kind of stuff, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and like this video. It really helps me out a lot. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.